All right, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare a ribeye. Room temperature, thawed, was frozen. Got to be able to get it out of the bag first. Guess I had it open. It's a little bloody. So the first thing I want to do is dry this baby off. Get the moisture off the top of it, the sides, give you a better sear on the grill. Okay, I'll do my salting and my buttering when it comes off the grill. So it's all dry, ready to go on. I'm gonna put it on an extra hot grill, preheated. I'll show you that. Before I throw the steak on the grill, I'm gonna throw a little beef tallow on there. After it gets nice and hot, then we'll throw the steak on. Okay, got the grill nice and hot. Get my tallow. I like to use a fork because you want to get every drop. Just swish this around. Delicious, but that might be too much. Oh well, I'll save some for the top. Slide this back here. Alright, throw my steak on. Throw a little bit of tallow on top. Going to want to close the lid and do 7 minutes aside. I'll show you when I flip it. All right, let's flip this baby. Look at that fat. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect sear. We'll let it go another 7, and I should have a medium to medium rare steak. All right, 7 minutes are up. Look at that thing. Can't wait. Got to do some prep. All right, just got it off the grill. Gonna salt this baby up. Celtic sea salt. I like it coarse. A little bit more. I like it salty. Then got some grass-fed Kerrygold. Let that sit on there. All right, we'll do one more. Then one for me. All right, we'll give that 5 minutes and we'll cut into it. All right. I couldn't wait 5 minutes because I'm hungry, but I'm going to slice into this guy. And we're looking at you see it? Perfect medium. All right, I'm going to eat this. Catch you guys later. That's how I cook my ribeye on the Blackstone grill.